Hello and welcome to the Ramsey Cole Racing YouTube page. Today we are going to be showing what I'm going to be doing with this Honda GC 160. It's basically usually used as a pressure washer engine, and I'm going to turn it into my go-kart engine. The problems that we are facing right now. Let's see what I have coming in with parts. Right now, I have an exhaust coming in, and then a clutch and a chain to hook up to my go-kart. Oh yes, let me introduce the host to our show type thing. My name is Tyler, and my little sister Jessica is over there sitting behind the engine. You can't see her. There's a reason for that. Anyway, this right here. Basically, it's the whole throttle assembly. Basically, well, not completely, but this thing on top of here is the throttle, and it's hooked up to this little bar right here. It goes all the way down to the engine, and it can move. Now see, what I've done is hooked up a bike cable. I originally had I had a set of throttle cables and something to help something that basically you put on like a Briggs and Stratton, and it looks it's a lot better of a something to hook up a go-kart to. But this is basically just dealing with what you have, and instead of realizing that I can get a brake cable from a bike and put it on here, I bought a $15 throttle cable, which is very stupid of me, but I did. And so now I'm faced with trying to I'll probably eventually sell it back on eBay again. If anybody's looking and they want to buy it, then be my guest. Well, basically, I'm basically just trying to get that hooked up right now, because I still have the clutch. The clutch is gonna go here, and the exhaust pipe. Now, see, the problem is my go-kart has a left engine mount, left side engine mount. Okay, so you see the gas can is back here. The clutch is right here. This is where the exhaust is. I cannot hook the engine up any other way except for the clutch being over here and the exhaust facing my seat, which is bad for me. So I ordered a new exhaust. I got rid of my old one, and I bought a racing exhaust that curves around my motor here. Let me show you. It curves around my motor and goes that way, kind of outwards. But the only problem is I'm probably going to have to put a sleeve on it so I don't, you know, like turn a sharp turn and burn myself or something like that. Or I'll have to do something to where it has no way of hitting me. Probably put up a panel or something like that. But right now, what I'm faced with is trying to get everything put together. I put new oil in it, and huh? My assistant is gonna leave. I put new oil in it and gas, and put gum out in the gas can. Hopefully, it's been sitting for a while, so I redid everything. But that's what I'm facing, and hope to see you soon. on the Ramsey Cole Racing YouTube page. Bye.
We are the